Hey, what's up guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guy, doing another case review for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So this one here is from Supcase. This is a Unicorn Beetle Pro. It is a rugged case protection, and if you like that, this case will be perfect what you've been looking for. So let's open this up, do the installation. As you can see, there's the installation guide there. It's quite simple, just snap it on and you are set. So they do have other colors as well. The one I've got here is black. It comes with the strap band, which attaches to the casing. You got lots of slots here to adjust the right size of your wrist. And look at the design on this. You got the nice carbon fiber look design on the side of the watch band and along the casing as well right there. Cutouts, Supcase name. Okay. And yeah, all right, so let's unbuckle this. Okay, let's put this together. Just snap it on like so. Very simple to install, and you are pretty much ready to go. So that's what it looks like, guys. It looks really good. It makes the watch more rugged looking. And yeah, check that out. Okay, so let's put this on my wrist. All right, so that's what it looks like. Looks really good. And when it comes to protection, you do have a lot of elevation on the side. And again, I have a tempered glass screen protector, so plenty of space for that. Okay, navigation wise, no issue whatsoever. And yeah, so to remove it, you just pretty much reverse the installation, pop this out. Make sure you get the side first snapped off from the buttons, like so. Once you have that, you just pop it out. And that's pretty much it, guys. So a lot of protection from this rugged case from Supcase. So that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you for watching my video. If you do have any other suggestions or accessories you would like me to review, just leave me a comment down below. And once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.